Welcome! Today, we're going to learn about a very useful part of English grammar called the gerund. Gerunds are special because they allow us to turn actions, verbs, into nouns, helping us talk about activities in different ways. Understanding how to use gerunds will make your sentences more natural and fluent. Let's explore what gerunds are and how to use them with some clear examples. What is a gerund? A gerund is the ing form of a verb that functions as a noun in a sentence. For example, in running is good exercise, the word running is a gerund. When to use gerunds? A. As the subject of a sentence. Examples. Swimming is a great way to stay fit. Reading helps improve your vocabulary. Cooking requires patience and practice. Traveling broadens your horizons. Learning a new language can be challenging. Walking early in the morning is very refreshing. B. After certain verbs. Verb plus gerund. Examples. Enjoy, avoid, mind, consider, suggest, keep, stop. Sentences. I enjoy reading books. She avoids smoking. They suggested going to the park. She finished cleaning her room. C. After prepositions. After prepositions like in, on, at, by, about, etc., use a gerund. Examples. I'm interested in learning new languages. They talked about traveling. She is good at painting. He apologized for being late. She is tired of waiting for the bus. D. As the complement of a subject or object. Examples. My hobby is painting. His favorite activity is reading. Her passion is dancing. The main activity on Saturdays is hiking. The key to success is staying focused. Common verbs followed by gerunds: enjoy, consider, suggest, avoid, keep, stop, admit, deny, finish, practice, mind, imagine. Examples with these verbs. I enjoyed playing soccer. She denied stealing the cookies. She is considering applying for a new job. They suggested going to the new restaurant tonight. He tries to avoid eating junk food. Do you mind helping me with my homework? She keeps practicing her guitar. We stopped smoking last year. He admitted stealing the cookies. I finished reading that interesting book. They practice speaking English every morning. Can you imagine living in a different country?
Tips. Remember that the gerund acts as a noun, but it is formed from a verb with an ing ending. Use a gerund after certain verbs and prepositions. Use the base verb with ing when describing ongoing activities. Gerund quiz. Which of the following sentences correctly uses a gerund as the subject? Running quickly is important. I enjoy to run. She is running every morning. Run is healthy. Two. Fill in the blank with the correct gerund. Three. Choose the correct sentence. A. I like to swimming. B. I like swimming. C. I like swim. D. I like to swim. Four. After which of these words should you use a gerund? Quickly, enjoy, mountain, on. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more grammar tips. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and share it with your friends who are learning English. See you next time.